Hello HRNet, welcome back to your favorite channel, HR Channel. Today, we're diving deep into another fascinating topic that combines science, facts, and education, all backed by reliable data. So, get ready to explore the wonders of our world with us.
Previously on HR Channel, we discuss about Pi Network Node Setup tutorial on episode 1. I suggest you watch that episode before you watching this episode. In that episode you've already learned how to prepare your computer and check your IP. Now, in this episode, we will continue our Pi Network Node Setup journey. We will dive deeper into the full Pi Node setup process divided into several chapters. You can choose whatever chapter you want due to your setup problems. In this chapter, I want to discuss about the biggest challenge for the setup. There are many questions comes to me about this problem. What if you don't have a static public IP? No worries. Instead of using a VPN, which may affect Pi's originality score, you can request your ISP to open ports 31400 to 31409. Once that's done, test the ports using tools like canyouuseme.org. Let's now configure your router and set up DDNS using NoIP. This will help stabilize your dynamic IP. I'll walk you through logging into your router, configuring port forwarding, and setting up NoIP. 1. Go to https://www.noip.com and click Sign up your account in NoIP. I recommend using email and password. Don't sign in use Google account directly, because you need username and password separately later on. 2. Complete the email and password fields. Then click Free Sign Up. 3. Watch how I configure all the settings. If you now in this chapter, I assume you already succeed setting all preparation. Now, we need to configure the firewall. It is necessary for your PiNode can run smoothly. Proper firewall settings are crucial. I'll show you how to configure inbound and outbound rules for ports 31400 to 31409, and how to allow PiNode through your firewall without turning off Windows Defender. Next, we need to update the WSL, install Node.js, and Docker to ensure your PiNode runs smoothly. I'll walk you through downloading, installing, and linking your PiNode to the Pi app on your mobile phone. Ready? Take a deep breath and slurp your coffee first. Now we try to deal with Node.js. Goes to nodejs.org page download, see closely in video, and select according to your computer's OS and specifications. Install this node. After that, you need to restart. After the Windows run normally after restart, make sure the Node.js running. You can make the script like this, and put on your users folder. You can rewind my video to make sure all good, then, go to command prompt as administrator. Then write node ports.js. See if the server running. You can also check via browser with write down your IP and link to port 31400. You can rewind my video to make sure all good. Now, Node.js running well. After Node.js installed correctly, you need to install HyperV and Linux subsystem on your Windows. Open PowerShell admin section, then type the following command. You can see the command on the description section below. Then, when it is 100% complete, type the next command. When finished 100%, then restart your computer. Make sure your virtualization on your BIOS on. Because we use the virtualization to running HyperV. After restarting the Windows and Windows running normally, install WSL2 update. The software can be downloaded at Microsoft.com, see the link on the description. No need to install Ubuntu, Kali, Debian AWS, VPS and others. Make sure the update install and update perfectly. Don't forget, restart Windows after install. Now, after restarting Windows, we need change WSL to WSL2. See the guidance on how I deal with it. Remember, if you're not clear about the code and software link, you can find these code and link under the description below. When you have finished all the installations up to this step, then download the PiNode on minepi.com. You always can find the link for the softwares under description below. Select the OS according to your computer. After installation, open Node section on your Node application on computer. Then you need copy the code to synchronizing your Pi account to your Node. Paste the code to your mobile application in your Node section. Then PiNode finish to install. Close PiNode on your computer. Also make sure from Task Manager there are no PiNode are starting. Now the last thing you need installed is Docker. Simple install from Docker official website. I already put the link under description below. Then follow the installation until finish. When the Docker running, open PiNode. On the PiNode, you need to run port checker. I assumed all the port already open, then goes to troubleshooting page and wait until PiNode synced. Also pay attention to outgoing and incoming connections have value, also supporting other nodes become yes. And that's it. Your PiNode is now up and running. If you're still having trouble, join our Telegram group for guidance. You can find the link of our Telegram group under the description below. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, subscribe, and share this video. Let's grow HR channel together with reliable, scientific facts and educational content. See you in the next episode.
Terima kasih telah menonton. Jangan lupa untuk like, subscribe, dan aktifkan lonceng notifikasi di HR Channel untuk mendapatkan lebih banyak video menarik lainnya.